Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do the wonders of animal kingdom. In that, we'll discuss about elephant. Elephants are the largest land mammals on earth and have distinctly massive bodies, large ears, and long trunks. They use their trunks to pick up objects, trumper, warnings, great other elephants, or suck up water for drinking or bathing among other uses. Both male and female African elephants grow tusks, and each individual can either be left or right tusked. And the more one they use, more is usually smaller because of wear and tear. Elephant tusks serve many purposes. These extended teeth can be used to protect the elephant's trunks, lift and massive objects, gather food, and strips back from trees. They can also be used for defense. During times of drought, elephants can use their tusks to dig holes to find water underground. We'll discuss further about truth about elephant. The wonders of animal kingdom elephant. Elephants have many wonders, including their size, strength, and cognitive abilities. Elephants are the largest land animals on the earth. The average African elephant can grow to be 8.2 to 13 feet tall and weigh 5,000 to 14,000 lbs pounds. Elephants are incredibly strong and dexterous and can use their strength to break trees in half or push them over. Elephants have a remarkable long-term memory that allows them to recall geographic locations, water sources, and migration routes. These are the cognitive abilities. An elephant trunk is an extension of its upper lip and nose, and is a very useful appanage. It can be used for breathing, grasping, feeding, drinking, smelling, lifting, communications, and defenses. The tusks and elephant's tusks are actually elongated incisor teeth in its upper jaw. They are present in both male and female African elephants, but only in male Asian elephants. Elephant tusks are massive, rootless teeth that grow throughout an elephant's life and are made of dentine and enamel. Dentine, a hard, dense, bony tissue. Enamel, the hardest animal tissues that manages the most wear and tear is its enamel. Elephants use their tusks for a variety of purposes, including digging, lifting objects, gathering food, stripping bark from trees, defense, and protecting the trunk. Appearance. Elephants can be left or right tusked, and the dominant tusk is usually more worn down. Elephants' tusks are often a target for poachers because they are made of ivory, a much desired object. Elephants have remarkable healing abilities for their tusk pulp, which can close and recover even after injury. The, the only way to remove the tusk from an elephant is either through a very long, complicated dental procedure or to kill the elephant and cut the tusk out. Ivory was formerly used for make cutlery handles, billiards balls, piano keys, Scottish bagpipes, buttons, and a wide range of ornamental items. Elephants are pregnant for 22 months. A baby elephant can stand within 20 minutes of birth and weigh 210 pounds. Elephants communicate through the vibrations. Ears. You can tell the three species of elephants apart by their ears. Elephant's ear. Elephant eat between 149 to 169 kg of vegetation daily, 16 of to 18 hours, or nearly 80% of the elephant's day is spent feeding. Elephants consume grasses, small plants, bushes, fruits, twigs, tree barks, and roots. Different type of elephants. What are the three main types of an elephant? There are three species of elephants: African savanna, bush, African forest, and Asian. The ears of African elephants are much larger than their cousins and are described as being shaped like the African continent, whereas the ears of Asian elephants are shaped like the Indian subcontinent. These are the some types of elephant. Two genetically different African species exist: the savanna elephant and the forest elephant, with a number of characteristics that differentiate both both. The African savanna elephant is the largest elephant species, while the Asian forest elephant and the African forest elephant are of comparable smaller sizes. Asian elephants differ in several ways from the African relatives, with more than 10 distinct physical differences between them. For example, Asian elephants' ears are smaller compared to the large fan shaped ears of the African species. Only some male Asian elephants have tusks, while both male and female African elephants grow tusks. Led by matriarch, elephants are organized into complex social structures of female and calves, while male elephants tend to live in isolation or in small bachelor groups. A single calf is born to a female once every 4 to 5 years, and after a gestation period of 22 months, the longest of any mammals. Calves are cared for by the entire herd of related females. Female calves may stay with their maternal herd for the rest of their lives, while male leave the herd as they reach puberty. Forest elephants' social groups differ slightly and may be comprised of only an adult female and her offspring. However, they may congregate in large groups in forests, clearing where sources are more abundant. Elephants need extensive land areas to survive and meet their ecological needs, which includes food, water, and space. On average, an elephant can feed up to 18 hours and consume hundreds of pounds of plant matter in a single day. As a result, as they lost habitat, they often come into conflict with people in competition for resources. So far, we discussed about animal kingdom. In that, we discussed about an elephant. You have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.